it heavy, this big bad world of ours. It's been crime and death and pillaging since the start. We've been bashing each other's brains, and we've been fools and we've been cowards. And I almost forgot to mention all the wars. All the trees are gone, the animals doomed, the rivers are dry. But there's money to be made, so we don't care. There's diseases, plagues, and pestilence we've been dominated by, and in the end, we're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. Gee, ain't it frightening, this doomed and dying earth? Forest fires, tsunamis, and hurricanes. Being brainwashed by the media since the days of our birth. We've been driving cars and we've been flying planes. All our leaders are pure evil, they're all wicked and vile. And I won't start about the corporations too. There's misleading, cheating, two-timing, and nothing but lies. And in the end, we're all gonna die. Save this place, this holy ground we're on. Heal the world, make it a better place for you, for me, the entire human race. But until that day comes, I'll be singing this song. We're all gone.